In today's video, I'm going to show you what I've got growing here in the UK in October 2019. Welcome back to Growing Frugal, and if you've not been here before, this channel is all about learning how to live a lower cost life by growing food, by cooking a little bit more economically, and by getting creative where we can so that we've got a little bit less in terms of outgoings from the budget every month. So I've been getting quite a few questions coming in the last couple of weeks about growing food in winter, and it's not easy here in the UK, but I did manage to get quite a few crops growing last year. So in this video I'm going to show you an update on what's growing here in October right now and what I can harvest already. I'm then going to show you my seedlings, which I'm hoping I can get growing through winter this year. And then finally, as an extra bonus, I'm going to show you what I've got growing indoors, so that even if you haven't got a garden, you can still have a bit of green and some fresh edibles in the kitchen or on a sunny windowsill, or with the help of a little gadget like the one I'm using. So if you like the sound of that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I upload every week. So let's get to it, and I'll show you around what's going on in the garden. So I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give the video a like if you did, and please subscribe so that you can join me here for weekly videos where I can keep you updated and we can all learn together how to live a lower cost life. See you next time.